Hi, this is Kung Win. Today I'm going to show you how to use Fixative to spray for my pastel work. I have received many questions of people asking me how do I use it, do I use it, and today this is the time I'm going to show you. Um, the fixative I'm using is from Kylan. It's called Workable Fixative. It means you can fix them in between. It's easy to do it. You can use fixative when you finish the work, like this painting I finished here, or you can spray them in between and continue to working on it. Uh, Please remember you cannot use this products indoor. It's dangerous for your health. Okay, you have to bring them outside. This is my outside my backyard here, and you can before you use them, shake them. Okay, today is a good day and it feel like no wind, it's perfect for it. But if someday you use them, you have the wind and you have to make sure what direction is the wind is blowing to your paintings or not. Otherwise you're shaking, you spraying it, and all the fixative gonna go straight in your face. It's no good, right? So let's try. I always have my painting on the easel like this, and before I sprayed it, I shake it, spray something outside. Now I set back the distance. Maybe one more time. And that was it. All right. So don't overspray it, because if you spray them too much, the pastel gonna get darker. It's not good for your work. You will see a little bit dot around this, but easy to fix. Okay. So good luck to you, and I'm looking forward to see you again next time for the next videos. Bye bye.